Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a fantastic and super easiest logo design entire in the world. So is just watch this video to the end, you can learn something from here. The number attack I start right now. So let's begin today. So we're running today. I just select things and a little bit smaller here and keep to the corner side. This is a 3D based design. So what we're ready to do, I go to the dashboard over here. You see so many tools over here, but I need it just to rectangle tool. Click over here and it just to like that. When I just like that, okay, I think that's fine. Okay, so what we're ready to do, I just like the angle. So how would you do? Just like that. Yes, I think it's okay. It's much, I think. A little bit there. Okay, that's fine. So we're going to do again. Go back to the here rectangle tool. Add it just like that, and I need it to copy here by pressing. Or okay, it's sorry, it's not. I need to get to the here first of all. Then I need to select and go press the order and keep to here just for heading, and I needed to select all the things and go to the builder tool here, and I pressing order key and cut. See how this is magic. It's okay. So what we need to do, I need just to copy this one again. So we're just by pressing order key and keep to the rubber side. So we're running today. I just take over here, just click reflect and to the enter. See, I already enter and just okay. Go back here. So I think like that. Little bit each side. Okay, I think it's okay. So I just go to the arrange and in front. Okay. So what we're going to do, I just go to the direct selection and just select over here and a little bit over here. That a little bit. Yes, it's okay. So again over here like that, little bit. Yes, angle shift. Okay, that's fine. Again, I need to just cut over here. Just there. Need to go over here and just select together and go to the shape builder tool. Not pressing for a key. See? Not. So we're ready to the again. Go back over here and I need it just to the rectangle. It's just rectangle tool based logo design. So go to the direct selection and select this little bit there angle shape. Okay. So we're ready to the I just go to the rectangle tool again and wait like that. I think it's okay. Little bit here, little bit okay. It's fine. I think. So we're ready to the I just go to the but I just go to the direct delete anchor point tool. There, and just to click over here. You see how this magic. So we're ready to the I just get it back here. So go over here just for click the direct selection there a little bit anger like that here. Okay, so I think like that. Okay, no, I think it's okay, but I need first of all I need to go here like there. I need to go to the third angle. Go to the direct section like that. That. Oh, I think it's that. Yeah, it's see, it's good. I think now just back a little bit, little bit, little bit, a little bit. This angle. Okay. So I need to go to the over here curvature tool. Okay. Then like that, it's just a little bit over like that. Not much. I think. Okay. I think it's okay. It's much. I think it's too much. I think. Uh, a little bit there. Okay. So it's okay. I think. Uh, no, little bit like that. Little bit. Uh, it's too much bad. Too much bad. A little bit too much. Okay, it's okay. I think too much. Okay, you see, this it's very common. So we're bringing it to the edges a little bit, like that, like downside. I think it's more better. It's okay. You see, now it's very fantastic. So let's change the color. How did I go to the gradient and back over here, there, and I think it's designated. Go back like that. See, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, and like that. A little bit. Okay. So it's okay. A little bit. Change this color like that. Okay. And I think it's okay. I think okay. I think it's okay. You see how it's fantastic design. So I think I needed this. No, not there. It's like that. Yeah, it's fine. You see, now it's a back a design. So these are all I need to be here and that one. You see, no difference between that one. So these are all. Uh, I should keep the nice one. Beautiful. These are all the beautiful design. So thanks for watching.